boards. And this is the first thing I want to start with. This was just reported by Joy News, okay? Just reported by Joy News. And I wanted to speak about it. It's a from power tapping and share live now. And share live now. And share live now. And let's begin. I don't want to keep you waiting any longer. I don't intend staying here for long. But say me we in them now. Me submit to me. Ekwaye Juma or YouTube. Enti. Yanko asem this way. Ebusian for Joy News for now report to say His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, abani foreign travels. Okay. Ni board members. I see His Excellency John Dramani Mahama were banning foreign travels. Ni boards of state-owned agencies and public institutions over rising cost. Now, Assembly is saying, I want to read the news to you first, and then I can tell you whatever I want to tell you. This is a story in our Joy News, just released by Joy News barely 1 hour ago. Now, Joy News essay, you see, you can say Ghana media. You see, when you tell the Ghana media, they are in bed with the government of the day. I thought there be many of you think say ebia MPP 4 na MPP 4 mpe Mahama 70 MPP 4 mpe Mahama 70 na mu say how can media no how can it be in the pocket and I say in bed with the government a whole Joy News a whole TV3 why would they be in bed with government on say obi bia ye creative bia no if be an artist, when they look at things, they pay critical attention. My brother, the voice of AA, and it's saying, Piaboko, we follow the voice of AA and Mami why? No. Everyone, okay, who is an artist or whom be bia or she be bia, they don't just jump into maybe the whole thing. People are drawn towards things. And anyone who is working in the media space, say, there are things that will trigger the mind, the brain cells of people. And he said, Obi ye flyer. Yes, a flyer no. Join his flyer ni. So Obi ye flyer. Now, most of the flyer are in dark blue. Most of the flyer no are in dark blue. And then they highlight certain places in red. It is to send you a signal. It is to pick your attention. And the typical NDC food soldier, and I said the typical Ghanaian only time, no, Obeka say, wow, President Mahama bans foreign travel. And no. The next thing Obeka wants to say, rising cost. That is all. And that typical NDC guy there, who can den yosi debi. Now, when we say President Mahama banning foreign travels, money appointees over rising cost. That is the end of it. And that is why a very important say we have blogs like the voice of MPP, the voice of AAN, the rest are mobile live, Ebekasa. Because if we don't come out and come and explain to Ghanaians, say, there be Adiano, and yet John Mahama has banned foreign travels for ni appointees, so there be. See, President Mahama bans foreign travel for boards of state-owned agencies, enterprises, and public institutions over rising cost. Boards. Now you understand where this thing is coming from. President John Dramani Ababaimono. We're forming committees, be brave. And in fact, from the very beginning of the administration, we were keeping count of committees that he was forming. But a time came we could no longer keep track. Everything committee. So some of us lost count. I don't know whoever has kept count. I don't know. I tried with Google, say, how many committees has John Mahama formed, His Excellency formed? Google cannot give me any accurate data because even Google has lost count. Google lose count. Now, some committees for His Excellency John Dramani Mahama for me, you know. Even AI has lost count, my brother. All those committees are His Excellency John Mahama has formed. What is happening now? They say people on those committees are mere NDC for no. They are taking advantage of appointments, you know, at the 2 money anytime they want. They are just traveling like nobody's business. Nanaba, thanks for power tapping. Patronian power tapping, why? Omu took quite to say no one's business. Anchor board members, dear. Anchor board members, dear. Travel for Humbein. Look, when I was on the board of US, look, there was no point in time that board of the university, and remember, say US a public institution, there was no point, say board of US has to travel outside the country to go and learn anything. Sometimes they make us say, okay, board meeting day, we are going to hold it at ABR, maybe a retreat at a hotel, but it should be within the country. But under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, ni board members, to kwa manoni say, call for a site view, call for them, with their girls, as my brother has said. And they are going not based on their own menu, but budget nano are buying nature. Budget nina. Now, when you go into the story, most Ghanaians will not care about going to the story. They don't care. But so long as we are here, even if you don't want to go into the story, we will go into the story for you and come and read it to you. Now, listen to the news as reported by the President John Mahama himself, because this is a quote. I'm going to see. In several instances, such travels have resulted in significant expenditure on airfares, accommodation, per diems, and associated logistics, placing avoidable pressure on the public purse. Can you see it? Board members are ideally, who are board member, you don't even meet often. Some boards meet once a month. Some boards meet once every 3 months. And what do boards do? Company, bring your books. They go through their books. What is the next thing the company wants to do? Let's approve it. Oh, I don't approve of it. Let's vote. That's all. They say, John Mahama, His Excellency, the board members are appointed to Omudie, Omu anko US, Omu timinye jumanu. Omu anko Canada, Omu timinye jumanu. Omu etu kwa ko France, Omu timinye jumanu. To the extent, say, President Nankasa na weka se debi. Na mu beye sa. Omu anko Dubai ya. Say Dubai kwa omu anko hobby me sa se ntokwa bi ekoso. Na mi on pe boni. Me sure say Santo kwa ekoso kra o Dubai no. Because the president ni appointees eko hodo dontia. Yeah. I'm sure. Say omu anko Dubai bi omusro wo. Na mu nim. Mukoswa di the tax of the people. You don't know, say the tax that you take from people is their sweat. People should keep on spending it anyhow. After the Munko Dubai bio. Sana, Speaker of Parliament, yeah. He went to sleep at Dubai. And then I was saying home fan. Well, we say home fan who call for medical checkup. Who we read the witchy. Speaker, no. Speaker Bagbe, no. You are not feeling well. You are going for treatment. Your wife is with you. You and I know if your wife is with you, you know why your wife is with you. To the extent, say it God had to make it rain or Dubai by force. Mission Nepamuno, free Dubai, back to Ghana, to come and sit down at the parliament for us to approve our budget. Into Dubai for I'm telling you, say maybe whatever is going on, say you know, Mahama appointees ninti. Mupa ho mupa momo. Aha. So the president said enough is enough. Enough is enough. NDC for the way you people are chopping the money. If we don't take care and we lose power 2028, and MPP 4 bar, papa, that is all the president is trying to tell any board appointees and all. All those board appointees have been appointed by the president himself. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ankasa na appointee board members no. On one appointments no. Show me your friend and I'll tell you who you are. No president is going to appoint any enemy. Yeah. The only president who attempted to appoint people who were not on the same page with him, Nana Akufo-Addo. And they showed him Pepe. Yeah. When President Akufo-Addo came, he thought, say, Ghana has evolved. Mine Ghana there. Over 60 years of independence. They said, mine, we have. Let me appoint Martin Amidu out here NDC. Then Martin Amidu came to write, mother serpent of corruption. Hey! Mother serpent of corruption. Some mother serpent of corruption unkwano. You defending your bear 2 years. 2 years. Every day we call radio station and this for say Martin Amidu say President Akufo-Addo mother serpent of corruption. No matter the topics, the topic. After the president said, okay, no problem. Let me go and appoint Kisi Jaben or Nuclear West. Kisi Jaben West. So the last president to have appointed the known enemies, Akufo-Addo, His Excellency Mahama will not make that mistake. Obi bia or appointed bia in a downfall. Answer the boy. Right? Now, what I say, no, you buy can no current say TikTok for grad you buy. Or more recommend your lives no biom. But one thing I've learned, at least, from being a Christian and then also being a chauffeurian, is that even if it is one person that comes on your life or that comes to church, the energy with which you preach must be the same for when it is 100, when it is 200, when it is 300. And I appreciate the people who are here. Let's keep power tapping, right? So the prince says enough is enough. But even in this enough is enough, no, he has left a caveat. Or see, for those boards and board members, that must by all means travel with their girlfriends, their side chicks, and their baby mamas. Girlfriend, side chick, and baby mamas. If you must travel with them by all means, and you write a letter to Julius Debra and explain to Julius Debra why you have to travel with your side chick, your baby mama, your girlfriend, and not your wife. If it makes sense, they will agree for you to travel with your side chick, baby mama, and girlfriends. And see, don't let any NDC person come and tell you anywhere. Say, say President Mahama there, he's a listening president. And then, the second thing that I wanted you to pay attention to, the rising cost. Rising cost. Why the Joint News are highlighted in red is because of what is going to happen this week. Something is going to happen this week. And what is going to happen is, there is going to be shortage of goods. There's going to be shortage of fuel this week. If we don't take care, by next week, transport fares will start going up. Now, they want to create the impression in the brain of Ghanaians, say, the president saw this coming, and as a way of feeling for Ghanaians, he has banned foreign travel so that money can be kept in the country. But that rising cost that was highlighted there is not because of rising cost of living. No. It's because the monies these appointees are spending on those travels are becoming too much. So please, when these things are happening this week, I'm not a prophet of doom, but I know it will happen. when it starts happening, and my NDC ne bia be catch you say, and Mahama him say, I dare we be seeing Tina. Like I say, nobody should travel outside the country again. And I've told you again, say, and yet appoint, and yet CEOs no. There are over 500 state-owned enterprises CEOs as you are speaking today. Over 500 of them. All of them are exempted from Asema. This thing I just read to you. And you should understand why right now as we are speaking, Randy Abbey, you should understand why. Because he's not bound by what this release that has been released. For board members, for them board members. This is saying strictly for board members. So CEOs are exempted. CEOs are what? Exempted. Now, let's go to the next thing that I want to talk about. Ebusian 4. You see, we can do politics with everything. Everything the BBA, Juliet saying, Alan says, send me your WhatsApp number. Marty, but just send me hi or medium. Me send you why alliance. Mr. By God's grace, I'm fine. AAN, Mr. President, send a request. Let me pick you so that you just be here. So that when people come, I'll tell them to follow you. So send a request. Then let me just pick you and mute you down. So that when I'm done, maybe you want to come in, you can come in. Yeah, Mr. Edu, it's good to see you. Mr. Edu got in touch with me. Yeah, so now I have Mr. Edu number. So if you don't send me money, I'll tell Mr. Edu that you're not sending me money. Mr. Edu. Right, let's continue. For the first time,